Yesterday on the gold there was activity where we can see the prices formed a bearish candle, but with a large wick on the upper side where the prices were trying to reach higher price levels 4021.78, but unsuccessfully, and the price has been retracing back down again because of the selling pressure that is still above that area. We can see that the candle has closed also below this area of support and has small wick on the lower side, which means still selling pressure is pushing the price down. The buyers are still waiting and trying to defend the price from reaching lower levels. On the 4-hour time frame, yesterday the price has risen in value. We can see that during the day the price has reached higher price levels, reaching 4021.78, and from here the price has returned back down. We can see that in the second part of the day, the price has retraced back down, forming this strong bearish candle and then reaching very close to 3910.08, a 4-hour time frame, a support level. From here, the price is retracing back up, so we can see the price was going down, up, down, and trying now to move up. So this is the area still of indecision. That's why we have still again indecision candle with a small candle body, which means there is no strong selling pressure and also buying pressure currently on the market that could also push the price in any of the direction. Like in this example where we have a large candle body, that means selling or buying pressure is active on the market, so this is the pushing the price in that direction. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see how the price has behaved. Yesterday the price has risen in value. We can see that here the price started to rise in value in the morning, and then the price has reached the daily resistance level. The price could not manage to go up above this area of resistance and then move it down, forming this bearish candle and then bearish breakout. This bearish breakout has been shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, and we can see the price has reached that area of support, and then the price continued to lose its value, forming strong bearish candles going all the way to 3926.54, and from here the price retraced back up. Now we can see the price is trying to move again to the higher price levels. It is currently very close to 3979.35. What we can expect today? Based on this one, what we can see on the daily time frame, there is still selling pressure pushing the price down, and also the daily candle has closed below this area of support. This is indication of the still strong selling pressure, but on the opposite side there is buying pressure that is pushing the price up and not allowing the price to move further down. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see the price is still in decision area because the price is still bouncing from this area of support and the resistance. So there is no clear direction on the 4-hour time frame. The price could go up and also could go down. So it is the best to wait outside of the market. On the 1-hour time frame, small uptrend, small downtrend, so we need to see how the price behaves. We can trade during the day these price levels when the price forms a bullish or bearish breakout, like yesterday, like in this example here, bullish breakout, like in this example also a bullish breakout. These are the small levels that we can also trade during the day, but overall what we need to see is the breakout to the upper side on the or the lower side on the daily time frame with a strong candle, with a clear body. That means with a large candle body, which will also allow us to see where the price will move in the future. That means in the next few days, based on the market conditions and also where the market is pushing the price. For now, I am also outside of the market. Still there is no clear direction where the price could go, but we can see still selling pressure pushing the price down, not allowing to go above this area of resistance. So this is the area here, which is very undefined between the buyers and the sellers currently at the moment. Later on we'll see how the price will behave, but during the day we'll see how the price behaves on the 4-hour time frame support and the resistance levels, and also on the 1-hour time frame, how the price is respecting them, and is there any kind of a strong candles like in these examples that could indicate momentum in one of the directions. Currently we are in the momentum for the bulls, pushing the price up, so it is expected, at least what I can see, the price will try to reach higher price levels, which means first making a bullish breakout here and then trying to reach these 4021.78 at daily resistance level. So for now, overall, his decision is to wait outside to see how the market behaves around this area, between this area of support and this area of resistance, this area of support. That's all for today. Feel free to check the link below in the description to join other traders if you would like to receive the premium updates. That's all, and see you next time. Happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.